So Ken, I want to go independent, 2028, or every chance to lead the MPP. And into your total normal year starts in 2023, I can say, or chance. That's why I came out. Now I want MPP people to listen to this.
Wow.
So be a no some say a day I say party. Nka Donald Trump, there's no way. Nka 2016 or winning or San Luzu ya chi was my president view. No obia what follow me at Chapa or social media. Nim say I dey be every year 3rd January. I am bekan some we are singing na we see within a feeling na.
Okay.
It's something I've been doing for more than 7 years. Na me kai say about last year 2024 no. The way na kiti no. I mean never to about na politics be ba obi ba bompa ya mame bompa bebre. Can Agyapong obi a menini shia da.
Okay.
Menini shia guess one. The India make say menini shia da say oni me na me so menini no. But na me call US. So no kwako Jnana maybe kwan e wo airport. The me for Emirates, no mo so be for Emirates. You know kwako Jnana mama ko check in. That's the first time me hu na ni say. Na me ngin to me say oni me.
All right.
Nti no me twa mu no to twa mu. See, I want people to understand. So onye obi a
unimu no. And asa yankofa bi da mo ntem.
Nothing of the sort.
Okay.
Na ye ba beto aba no. Na me nim say MPP NDC be winning.
SOMPA FM.
Na when and so nya winning ketwa.
Okay.
Kasiya pa Emma even numbers are MPs ni benya no. MPP for MPs ba me nche no. I told them.
Okay.
Say NDC for MPs on benya no on boboro 150. Yeah. There's one MPP many very close.
Okay.
Nti obaye no okase. Se dey no onye. Na me ka ken so be lusu.
Why you who she's doing
it? Because it's already in the stars. They say he's going to lose his seat.
Okay.
Until no make again is meet me be a man. Ebi am paibon e be ba man. But I cannot guarantee him say be a meet me am na winning.
Now some mobile empire man cry to not change anything.
Ain't change because already in the stars say he's going to lose.
His okay.
And obisa me say CA no e ba umi na eko. Ba no o support Ken.
Okay.
Until no me hu ni say on find support on Koba will be a one campaign about him will be a one on your name. So I told him, say, that day me buy number by my life now, me can't say that very day, Tuesday. Until me can say, this time around, no Ken a Lucy.
Okay.
By a 12 we are 2028, about 67% yes, or no, be the MPP for him. I told this MP American.
Okay.
So Tia on him said they're making an intro. This our percent on your future beer. Even though they say about me and Ekodi, I'm going to support Emma Ken.
Wow.
I told him.
Yeah.
So he was a bit disturbed, confused. I say because said this time Nube Lucy, you're not going to win.
All right.
But I want to support a man on Nasa Chinebino or nobody be deep in anymore.
And you will be benefiting.
Support the man when he was not even in the race. I told him that.
Wow.
The year 12 anyway. And Obanos me da was say what catch them na me say my for seminar or so on can cry transfer so on the support one even though say went me and when there.
Wow.
Until me buy na my life I felt say I should explain.
Okay.
Under normal circumstances and say me Ghana I would have said what was going to happen in Ghana.
Okay.
Because of America for or more election I said the categories when we say even up to the timer na Joe Biden me catch almost say Joe Biden will not contest.
Wow.
I mean, will be or follow me 2023. I said the agent on contest or ban on a baba contest. That time no needing will be out Yajatum. The Menyagan near.
Yeah.
2024 bank America Bagana had the way at Tiano. Yente politics.
That's it. Do one shall call Kakrana.
Benyatem did the man for bedi do atembasa. So I kept mute. But Obi Biana or Ben me to say I told all of them said this what is going to happen. Even though me na me support to MPP ni NDC, I support na me support to Kwame Bediako.
Okay.
But I told them said this what is going to happen. Now the way NDC for between MPP for mu ewo
elections no
enya sem ketwa. So Ken, when I checked 2024 before election, I saw say 2028 election, the probability is only barely more than 60%. And into the chair said because now amount for be 8 to 24.
So on court that side
independent because I mean say I attend them.
Yeah.
So I felt say papa me name number and he might not even know me. But my main card them to from him. Maybe somebody will watch this video and tell him. Na me name so tie na 1 2 whatever. But I felt say he knew say non-co person ka onye the on-call independent and be a I first say no, or copy. Was there any chance? Because according to political laws, so no say we free party, you know, baby more. And you're very easy about the same opportunity. So we shall Alan Kodecha is the same thing that happened here. A background sa ubakra party no shada enya umujidie and support us. Alan case, I mean, case been chida. Yeah. On this na kura bi odi nachi. On the Medina. On any very close pa. Nti me your life. Ena me kan say no munya kura contest you oni ba omia. And I can say, stars and I can't see me say, the wife of Alan Cash will be a big problem for him. And the reason is, the relationship with the NPP members is very cordial. Wow. So people will vote against him because of Nere. I said this. And actually, after some time, will be our band of power because an Alan will fool. So then I can say, by your tour, Benny, or Lucy, that's when you understood what I meant. And truly, or more, they will come say, hey, they wouldn't move your way. It's like they are affirming to whatever. So the whole point is that me, the way I'm here, Majumano, I write. Okay, who are we trying? And then we're able to tell you how the whole thing is going. So, Ken, I want to go independent, 2028, or every chance to lead the MPP. And into your total normal year starts in 2023, I can say, or chance. That's why I came up telling him so. And Ken, I like the way you're normal. All right. Because me, I'm a kind of person that me believe in will be or you're action oriented. And will be your casa be Okasa, you must do. I said, be resources. I said, be dear dance here. Even though I am MP for many years. But no more Munimun and Kasa kind of personal life, no more year, month for year, Juma, yeah. To be on notice, I know what on your president now or that kind of ability to me as I been on your position, Mr. Why not? So personally, I looked into a star, maybe about Umia there, maybe Alanka, maybe Omunina there, and I saw our chance in 2028. And yes, you are not a president, but leading the MPP, there's a possibility to say, obey me, I lead the party. So my advice not fire good one and by nature's own arrangement, one independent. So see, and if you or no name, but me na buy 2 start or more party, and looking at what I know, our chance, high chance. So be lead the party in 2028. This even but when they went to me when the presidency or could be more. Our chance. So he can become a president one day, but on conducting who on showing who because there are a lot of people around him. But here, on bit me disappointed. Nana minim say we obi a wutimi dosuko ehu niema edi ebesi nyame wadoma chede a odi ama obi a wonso so wo de no obi ti say Ken say the wo kan uturfo say obi a oba ni bi anka nkyere ne say hen wanko independent so we lusu ebra no person or presidential candidate emma the new patriotic party no na our chance say that obetimi ababiem I ampa anko said here because we lusu in so ampa and now all sign babiem say we share the competition between one but we say very close first because your flag bearership rate no kra no it was a young crofon percentage now when they never expected to say obetimi edru ho it chess at that time umponua number vice president so what you way there then the probability say obetimi di tie wura mu no e wapa but ebi mu se kan say minim de na knowledge kakra de be maye no ebi mu hu ne say ne utterances be in the past our yetia party no and some be a free no baye against his own political party and the same message and an opponent NDC for fire and the campaign editia NPP for ekutia womo enti party no a upese okotu franka ma womo no say record bebreda wa e NDC for nsem say so obey flag bearer omo be replay they say the na mabo ma replay wo video ni audio omo be replay all those serious negative commenter we hear about your own party nana say we share our prayer ebuya say why you near be in the past na bia we say we turn into a new leaf entimi mama hantew and how and say we be bia na me da say see the thing say people should understand say ye pe obi a kase bi na num nsem ye nsem fi a say ade a because there's no way Donald Trump be my America president. Now I want people to understand to listen to this.
Wow.
Say obi a na num nsem say ade a say party a nka Donald Trump there's no way nka 2016 no win or san lose ya chi wasima be president bi. No crap back on say we are say obi ya pen no correct. But better.
Okay.
And into no so can we nsem bibia o kana even though it must seem say be a coty any party no. But we human no correct. People find it very difficult accepting the truth, especially when it goes against them. And the time no soon no more kwa compete here. He should be able to explain to people say oh no you no correct for. And when the party me anya just want tenase. And
so bet me take advantage of that.
Obey take advantage. You see, there's nothing like impossibility in this world.
Wow.
And in the company say Drew no chance say me party kura meet him kasa chiro mo. The me president now you me party member now Jimmy me chwatum. Ghanaians are already fed up with MPP and NDC. Because of the way I train more for about 32 years in MPP and this the same at the comment na. And then if he comes out say or you're a little bit unique in a sense the party timbo machi. Omo wa ban mu ko tumi kan asem man onu anya asem ko party mu a he will be able to convince the masses say hey Ghana your problem number 1 is corruption. Corruption is say aban mu fo edi sika na aban na nkasa ntimu nkan wasem. Say the misuti enti no me fa obi adwuma mu nipa no ye corruptor. Metima me ya chi nipa because you guys have problem wo bibi am metima ka say maye bibi me kama asem ni all that obetimi use for his own
advantage. Wow.
The man na ndwen won say ebe kwality any party.
Party no.
They say I call US President Trump on one party for him can say bibi ya no mfa ho. Watam no ko ni be.
Yeah. I want to make canas.
See, I drew baby. People are not so much interested in political parties and now political figures are almost too diplomatic.
Yeah, penokre.
No cre, baby, and no cre. Ebeye binum ya.
Ebeye ya.
Be pese wo kan no cre na chero mo.
No cre.
So can no so me kan bi. Me ma no ndwen ho se na ade bi a wo ye atwam. And no ba be stamping block no. Ebe benefit on rather.
Okay.
Yes, baby, or her uncle, yeah, be a man for back canvas and bad baby. So call binum accept so. Even though he was an MPP member or your MP, but can same when we are means a change because you're president. This person no on who you are, he can deal with you. And Ghanaians, and I say, will be a or your radical kakra.
And a near ding,
be a member, Ghana for Sebi. The same Muna Yedi. So president, you near day party so you near and no bit of money guinea pie. I think that Ken. Abian Sembia Waki be a chomuno. It will rather favor him more than a month for being say be a better quality and no. MPP yet to a bar only 38%. No, that's an answer non Canada.
No, they
didn't 38%. No, it means some people sided with him said you can hear no correct.
No correct.
Yakobasa Ghana for you now. You had you. They see MPP bar so 8 years. Oh, you're more 2 banankasana. A young crowfoa not or more benefited from a ban.
Okay.
So even though among such people, no, utiminya 38%. They say see ya buying any power bill no.
And you bring say
that delegates now omunya bibia ado de bia mfa man who see ya no. They will use their heart to vote. That's when you see her obekini.
And any manipulation so be na manipulate you and say benefit be a wunya self interest be.
Said you feel be.
Said you feel be because they say obi am kapre.
Yes.
You are on your own.
That's when you see your smoothest level.
Na ebasa. Ne NDC fonso eteki me fanso be flag bearer ni tia ko ye de probability wanya na NDC fonso the those videos one say or the omoso e de atoto to social media to platform no omo bobo flag bearer with Jnana party we on e be pre no ye ntia asem a wo kankan eno so na enya nsunsanso bia
see Ghana ha no aban bia na obenya HS wa aban mu no e be ye den pa se obetimi break 8 no. Yes. And in TCCA na President Mahamat so no. Say ankoba na adwem say be on the constitution say with my contest be more. It means 2020 on to be inko.
Yeah.
So whoever is coming from the NDC side and the first time.
Yeah.
And then say Ken Subia also lead the MPP and say the first time. It is not going to be very easy for any one of them.
Yeah.
What do I say? Now that time say NDC going to mean perform make a or me performance and a be enye de
obi asem bia okokan
more example
me ti onana
so be here better about 2016 can be by papa no
Ai papa no me kai pa.
E ka ho bi pa na Mahama de lusu 2016 aba. Ba ma men ka na krenche o say Ghana fo mpanyimfo a sebi omo de ne mienu miensa ne nnan omo nyina na omo ka bi.
Yeah.
Because na ba be ye term na e da ho. Kenya Agyapong minim say say ne mados pa. They say the mayor said 19 say bibi.
Ne mados.
Yes. So no enye news mo obi a say bi a ken wo girlfriend.
Okay.
Teni ye ba.
Me ti opanana.
Obi a wo man 19 na one ma bibi na wo. So ochire bi ko say odi pa na wo girlfriend na enye news. Ba obi on wan no say o ye holy no. On e kwatwe mpene ba be ye news.
And be news ampa.
Nti nsem bi a wakeka to ho na amanfo adwen say bi e be kwa tia no. Ya won the kind of radical person one
go so kana jire.
Kikabigu on be keka asema kire. So those things in Emma may a big tag a bit to me against no. So I will personally say on your chance say obey the party no until I say those things no obey to me use in this one advantage.
Okay.
I had the number so binya asem be help be who na be na say be nude pictures be trouble nten. It's two ways. Owe be to me aho e do ho akokosie baabi na afi wuntemu mani pam bio. And number one. And I say obey take advantage you know how say your whole life e kasa. Who follow you obenya so there's two ways to do things.
Yeah.
Either so be fa binkum ananifa.
Listen na o mistakes betimi power kema.
I'm telling you. Na nsenga bi ababa we bi a ni video ba bonte no ne me be sensia elder o se den se mo hwe ya video bi ba bonte na young girl bi. I chire ye ko hu ni follow page na chi social media. And social media now no follow you no e sika.
Yeah.
So even though nipa na ya ade nka society ya dey front upon but now no she is making money from Zana de Bonnie now because people are following her. So the thing is idea be about no. It is up to you to decide which side you want to take. Do you want to use that as an opportunity or as an obstacle?
Wow.
So can Japan whatever it is no obey to me capitalize on whatever he has done nensa mo kanyina no what Timmy they are benefited for his own future political ambitions. For me they mean say nya de ebehano. So nim de obey to me afa.
Obenya structured ya adane than in here.